This tutorial video will cover the following steps. Step 1. Preparation. In the box, you'll find the machine, power cord, hat platen, small size, heat-resistant gloves, and the user manual. You'll also need to prepare a hat, a Teflon sheet, heat-resistant tape, and your design. Important reminder, put on your heat-resistant gloves now, and keep them on throughout the whole process to avoid burns. Step 2. Power on. Now, power on the machine, then tap the power button to start. Step 3. Set temperature and time. There are two ways to set it: quick set and custom set. With quick set, tap the temperature button, the number will start flashing, and you can tap the increase/decrease buttons to adjust it. Tap the time button and do the same to set the time. Once you've finished setting, the machine will remember your settings for next time. Time range, 1 to 999 S. Temperature range, 104 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 210 degrees Celsius. With custom set, there are two preset modes, Mode A and Mode B. Tap the Mode button once to select Mode A, twice for Mode B, 3 times to exit Mode AB and revert to the quick set. For your convenience, Mode A defaults for heat transfer vinyl. Mode B defaults for embroidered patches. Both Mode A and B can be adjusted to suit your preference. In Mode A or B, the screen will flash AB, then tap the temperature and time buttons to set it how you like. Here we are choosing Mode A. The R button lights red, and the machine keeps heating up. Step 4. Place the hat and design. Hold the top handle and push the heat plate backward until it stops. Press down the hat stretcher to secure the hat on the hat platen. Then attach your design with heat-resistant tape and cover it with a Teflon sheet. Step 5. Start heat pressing. Once the machine reaches the set temperature, the R button turns green. Then, pull the heat plate directly over the design. To cover the hat, tap the R button. The hat platen will lift up and apply the pressure automatically. If emergency happens, tap any button during heat, pressing to stop and lower the hat platen. Once the pressing is finished, the hat platen lowers automatically while it beeps 3 times. Step 6. Remove the hat. Cold peel and done. Move the heat plate back to its rear position until it stops. Remove the hat and reset the hat stretcher to its original position. Wait for the hat to cool down. Peel off the transfer film and enjoy your creation. You can also use materials like embroidered patches, DTF transfer film. Check the chart for the right temp and time. Step 7. Replace the hat platen. We include 2 hat platens to fit different hat sizes, a large one and a small one. The large platen comes pre-installed on the machine. If you need to replace the small hat platen, first power off the machine and wait for the heat plate to cool down. Put on heat-resistant gloves. Then slide the heat plate backward until it stops. Don't force it. Remove the current platen. Align the new one with the mounting slot, and press it down until it's securely in place. The replacement is complete. This machine will turn off automatically if there's no operation for 15 minutes.